Hey everyone, a new day, a new opportunity, and I'm your friend Adil Akram. So today I will get a lot of information about a European scholarship. If you know already about Erasmus Mundus, then you have a lot of information about that Erasmus scholarship applicants can study almost in four different European countries under a single degree, and you will get two degrees from different universities from different European countries. So in this video I will cover two Erasmus Mundus scholarship, in which a different field peoples can apply under different courses, and in one application you can submit three different program applications. So the first one is M3EP, is the Erasmus Mundus joint masters in a European environmental economics and policy. Let's move toward that. What kind of admission requirements and application you require, want when to apply. If you look at here, like the EU and EEA or Switzerland's people's applications are open at 15 January, is the people who belong outside the European countries, and those who are living within the EU countries, their application will be open at 16 January. And what is the application deadlines? 15 January 2026. So all international students can apply until 15 January. Okay, let's move toward that. First one, admission requirement. So what they require for the admission and who can apply. If you have completed or are in your final semester of a relevant bachelor degree program, you are eligible to apply for Erasmus Mundus M3EP scholarship. And you need a bachelor degree. Your bachelor degree is completed or not completed, it's a different thing. And bachelor degree in computer science, economics, environmental and food economics, natural resources with specialization in environmental economics, bachelor degree in political science, bachelor degree in science and policy, bachelor degree in and public policy, and first cycle degree in economics. So those people who belong to these field can apply under these scholarship. Other bachelor degree, if you have other bachelor degree, still you can apply in this scholarship and qualify and other courses. Next one is that these are basically about degrees, that what kind of degree holders can apply under Erasmus Mundus M3EP scholarships. These are their requirement. And the next one will be that a language. In a language, they have two options, that to gain admission under Erasmus Mundus scholarship environmental, you must document your English language proficiency. You have two ways. If you have completed a full degree in English, and second one, you have taken an English language test. If you already completed your bachelor degree in English, you can submit that proficiency certificate. And if you didn't complete your English degree, if you are already don't have a good command on English, you have to provide them a English test like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, like that. And you have to submit your document before the deadline. Otherwise, they will didn't they would not accept your documents. And how you can apply, I will guide you later. Required document, you need a transcript of grades on which your all of the information is present, like the grades, the numbers, the program name, the program date, everything. Self assessment. What is self assessment? The self assessment form is an overview of academic admission requirement of program you are applying for, and this document you can download from the application side. I will guide you that there. Course of description of courses and curriculum vitae. CV, your CV should be under the Europass. They will not accept other CV. You have to make a Europass CV. Use a sort of Europass template. If you know that how you can make a Europass template, you can watch my video. I already uploaded on my YouTube channel and also on a Facebook. Your GPA, your they mention about your GPA, and you have to provide a proof of English language proficiency. I already told you that what kind of proficiency you have to provide them, like English certificate or MOI. Copy or scan of your passport, letter of motivation. You have to provide only if you apply for Erasmus Mundus scholarship. If you're going to apply for Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you have to mention about letter of motivation. Everybody should know that, everyone should know that what is letter of motivation, because your letter of motivation have a second major document, is a second major document after your educational documents. Proof of your current residency is mean that you're living in India, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Africa, and Europe, Switzerland, where you are living, Taiwan. Official diploma and diploma certificate. You have to provide your degree, your transcript, and all of the information. And now, additional information, upload all the required documentation. Don't mess up with the application. Please upload only those documents which are under your program. Anything missing in your application, you can submit it. Deadline for uploading any missing document will be 1 week from the time we contact you. They will send you an email if there is any missing document, then you can upload on your portal. And they will also verification of information and visa process. If you're a citizen from outside country of EU or Switzerland, we cannot initiate your online visa application until you have fulfilled all of the condition of your admission. So in this scholarship, they will give you a visa fee, application fee, tuition fee, residence fee, mobility fee, and plus scholarship stipend every month. You will move 4 different countries in each different semester. So they will give you a money to move to other country. They will give you a visa. They will give you accommodation. They will give you a stipend. So everything they will provide you. The only thing you have to provide them is a good documentation. Otherwise, you will not be selected here. Okay, and next one is admission statistics that they mention here, that how many applicants will apply under this scholarship. And if you want to apply, just click it here. But before that, the important thing is about the scholarship. That part is very important. Here, application fee, tuition fee, and scholarship, they are all included in your application under the scholarship. Tuition fee, you can look at here, the scholarship that what they will provide you. The scholarship amount to maximum 33,600 euros, and every month they will give you a 14,000 euros per month for up to 24 months. And all scholarship holders are granted a tuition fee waiver. To be eligible for the scholarship, comply with the Erasmus Mundus mobility program, and under the mobility they will give you a visa and your travel ticket too. And if you wanna if you wanna take more information here, you can just click it here, you will read. And in I already told you that you will completed your master in 4 different countries. The first one will be your Italy, Poland, Germany, and Czech Republic. So 4 countries you have to move, and you have to study 1 semester and submit your report, all of the things. So depends on you that financial condition, they will give you that one. And you don't need any kind of bank statement to apply on this scholarship. You don't need any application fee. You don't need to provide any English IELTS score. Erasmus Mundus scholarship, academic and your academic excellence 75%, personal motivation 10%, relevant work experience 15%. So if you have any job experience, you can upload that one. It will be a 15%, and it will be increase your chances to get this scholarship. After that, the first installment and how to apply for Erasmus Mundus scholarship is a different thing. Let's move back toward that how you can submit your application. Just click on that is the main page where I already inform you a lot of information about documentation and eligibility, and just click here to submit your application. What you have to do now, because you are new, and you have to click on set me up as a user. And here you, because you don't have Danish social security number, then you have to click I don't have that. Just click on it, and they will open a lot of information here. You have to provide your name, your citizenship, your national ID, address, country, postal code, and create your application portal login will be created, and they will submit you a email in your Gmail account, and then you have to log in your application portal and fill up your application. Because in this video I will cover 2 scholarships, so only I will guide you that how you can make an account. I already told you that what kind of documents you need to submit on your application, and now it will be easy for you that how you can fill up your application. And in the first one, who can apply? All of the people. In the beginning 3 minutes, I mentioned that what kind of degree peoples can apply under this scholarship. Okay, let's move there toward the second one. The second one is ADIS. Erasmus Mundus joint master degree program on the engineering of data intensive intelligence software system. If you understand about the degree, then you will be confirmed that who can apply under this scholarship. All of the people who have engineering degree and who have a computer related degree like software engineering, development, MS degrees, lot of, you can apply in this scholarship. And the last date for the ADIS and Erasmus Mundus scholarship is around about 8th January. And next one, that I will guide you about the application procedure and the application requirement. This is the main page of the admission, and I will guide you later that how you can make an application account on it. Okay, application requirement admission. You should have a bachelor degree from at least a good command on English. And admission requirement, your degree should be under the computer science, software engineering, applied mathematics. The student should be able to solve basic computer science program to build a given a software artifact. The student should be eager to learn the new technologies. And you can look at here all of the computer people, computer science, mathematics, and physics related field people can apply. Language requirement, all must have good command on English. The English language proficiency must be provided by TOEFL, IELTS. And if your last degree is already in English, you don't have need to provide an English certificate. And then to the certificate must be mentioned English as a language of instruction, and the degree program must be completed in one of the countries listed here. You should be belong to these countries for this one. And application enclosure, a diploma supplement. Okay, the next part is I will guide you that official certified or legalized scanned copy of original transcript. You have to provide them transcript. And once again, I wanna told you that on your transcript there should be information about your grades, your scores, your numbers, your calculation. The calculation should be meet the international level. Diploma supplement, if available, you can provide them. You have to provide a proof of language skills. I already told you there certificate exemption. You can provide them TOEFL, IBT, and IELTS. You have to provide them copy of passport, your certificate of residence, and your CV. I already told you the CV should be in a Europass. Oh, here you can see that applicants are required to use the add a CV template. You can click on it and you can create a CV or belongs to this one. Two academic recommendation letter, you have to provide them a motivation minor video and copies of relevant work certificate, publication, other relevant activities. I already told you that your education count will be 75%, and your publication, your experience letter should be count 15%, and relevant motivation you would be included at 10%. So collectively it is 100%. You have to provide them the all of the documents because it's a highly paid scholarship. Like the last one, here I will show you that what kind of benefits you will get in this under these scholarships here. Okay, so the participant cost for the participation in the ARIS master program amount to be 9,000 per year, and they will be deducted under your fee. They will contribute participant code 9,000 per year, and they will give you a same as 14,000 euros per month as your stipend, and total will be 51,600 euros over the 2 year program. And they will also give you same scholarship, like they will exemption of a application fee. They will give you a visa fee and help you a visa application. And they will also give you a travel ticket for one time, and they will subsidize you for accommodation. In the same as the previous one, you will study in 4 different countries for each semester. So these countries should will be mentioned in your application portal, so you can choose that. So I will guide you that only if the first country choose which is easy for you, that you can easily apply your visa. Otherwise you will be stuck in your country if you belong some underrated countries here. Okay, you can look at here. Contribution to subsistence cost is the 800 euros per month. This one is the basically for a travel grant, and they will give you a tuition fee waiver, a scholarship, added scholarships. They will add some other things here, Erasmus Mundus scholarships here. And one important thing, I they make a graph here. Okay, a participant course, what is the student's nationality, program country, and partner country, and maximum they will provide you 4500 per years. Okay, travel and installation cost. Travel is mean they will give you a visa and travel ticket money, and they will give you an installation. What is installation? Because first time if an international student move to another country and he or she doesn't have a money to to buy the things to for accommodation, so they will give you a installation money, like a depends on program country. Program country is a 1000 per year, and partner country will also give you 2000 per year and 3000 per year, depends on that. And subsistence cost is a program country, for how many months will the student study in his country, they will give you that money. It will cover your accommodation. And then they have other information here. You can look at here. Erasmus Mundus scholarship is basically co-founded by European Union. Okay, let's move toward that. How you can submit your application on Addis is a main page. I will attach all of the links in description section, and in the Facebook comment section. You can easily get that one. You can just click application form like studentinfo.fi, and they will open a new page where you have to make up your account. So this page basically about a master degree program, engineering or data intensive. You can read all of the information here, and then you have to click on my study info. After clicking on it, they will give you a lot of pop-up pages like application, accepting an offer of admission. First one, follow your admission process. You don't need to register or log in order to apply. If you are a new student, you don't need to make an account. Just click on it and proceed your application. If your application is completed, then you can come up here. Then you can read, search all of the things on your portal. National certificates of language proficiency, the national warehouse. The other things didn't belong to anyone. Just you have to look at the first two option. The first one is your application submission, and the second one is your view and share information about your studies. So these are the information about Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Almost they cover all of the degrees under these scholarship. The first one, they cover all of your environmental science or natural science related degrees, and the second one they will cover all of your computer based, mathematics and physics based degrees. So all of the people who have a good degrees, good publication, excellent work, excellent experience in the job, I will prefer that apply in this scholarship. This is a good chance that you can study in a four European countries in in a different semester, and all of the expenses will be covered under this scholarship. You don't need to spend any penny on anything. So just share this video with your friend, with your university circle, your university group. That if anyone want information, they can simply go to the main website or watch a video and make up account and submit applications. So thank you so much for all of the people who support me or help me to share. And I wanna give announce that almost I started my YouTube channel in the January 2025, and I spent a lot of time on it. Almost 1 year is completed, and until now almost 15 people get a full funded scholarship, like in Australia, Switzerland, Taiwan, and one is in China and other countries, that you can be a next one. So share your this information and get information. It will be beneficial for all of the people. Until that time, Allah Hafiz.